Hey everyone, welcome back to Aries Communication. Today, we're diving into the brand new Oppo Find X9 Pro, a true flagship killer packed with insane specs, futuristic design, and lightning-fast performance. From the moment you pick it up, the Find X9 Pro screams premium. You get a stunning 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED display with a silky smooth 120Hz refresh rate, ultra-sharp, and up to 1800 nits brightness. Every swipe feels buttery, every color pops. And that camera setup, it's a beast. Triple rear cameras, a 50MP main sensor with OIS, 50MP ultra-wide, and a massive 200MP telephoto lens delivering crystal clear detail even at 18x zoom. Plus, a 50MP selfie camera ensures you always look flawless. Under the hood, Oppo has gone all in with the MediaTek Dimensity 9500 chipset, built on 3nm technology. Paired with 16GB RAM and UFS 4.1 storage, this phone handles gaming, multitasking, and heavy apps like a champ. And the battery? A massive 7500 mAh with 80W SuperVOOC wired and 50W wireless charging. Zero battery anxiety here, 0 to 100% in minutes. Wrapped in Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and an aluminum frame, the Find X9 Pro is not just powerful, it's a statement piece. With Android 16-based ColorOS 16, it's smooth, modern, and future-ready. So guys, what do you think of the Oppo Find X9 Pro? Is this the next big flagship in 2025? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Aries Communication for more amazing tech and sound reviews every week.